Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to add a smart button with the count Odoo 19. So here we are going to learn how to add the clickable start box at the top right of a form like meetings, invoices and the task that shows the count and opens the relative records. So here you can see that it will open the relative records. Okay, so these are called the smart buttons. On the top of it here you can see, right? So here we are going to add it today. So in this video we are going to learn this one. So what we will going to learn, that is a one to many relation between the two models, that is to project and the to task. Okay, a computed count field, task count, and the OE button box and the OE start button plus state info, that is widget markup, an action method that returns the IR actions act window to open the records. Okay, so this is the module structure. So here you can see that we have a that smart button, init.py manifest models that project.py, then we have a security access rights for the both the models, then we have the views form with the smart button. Okay, so in the first part, that is the models that project. Okay, so here we can see that we have a class, right? And here we are going to define the name, task IDs and the count. Okay, and then here we can see that we have the API depends, that is task IDs. So here we are just looping it up. Okay, and here you can see we have the type action window, name, task, model, that is this one, view mode, list and the form both, because listing is there and the form is there. So here we have to define domain, self, and the context would be like this. Okay, and the step 2, that is button view start project view.xml, the smart button must be live inside the dev class this button box. So this is the code for that one. Type object calls the Python method, that is action open task, widget status info. Okay, what it will do, renders the big number plus the label look, icon far task, any font awesome for icon name here. Okay, next we have the step 3, that is access right security IR model access.csv. So this that we have to add for this that group. Okay, and then let's have a look exactly the model view of that one. So here we have the full tutorial of the TC Smart button. So first of all, we have the models. Okay, then we have init.py, right? So we have to import that TOT project. Okay, right? Then we have the open this text editor. Here you can see that first of all we have to import the API fields and the models. Okay, then here we have the name, task ID, that is one to many. Okay, related to the project ID, right? Okay, next the count shown on the smart button store true is optional but makes it to show correctly in the list views too also, task count. Okay, next we have the API dot depends task ID. So here we are looping for the counting called by the smart button open the related task. Okay, so this is, here you can see that the action window which contains the task, rest model, view model, domain and the context. Okay, and here the last, that is we have the name and the description, project ID, and here you can see if I go over there. So here we have, here you can see that we have a task, right? We can multiple task because that's why it's in the loop, right? So if I just do and save this, so there here you can see that we have a two task in this, right? So here we can add mark done also. So here you can see when I open it, so this would be done or not, what the status would be. So here you can see in the code also we have the name, description, that is tutorial task, right? Then we have a name required, that is to be true, fields many to one, that is project ID, and then we have a done field. Okay, so here you can see we have the name, then we have a project, so here you can search it out with the project, right? And then we have this done. Okay, so this is for the projects listing, right? Two task is there. Okay, and we have a name and the task in the listing. Here you can see that the we have the task list. Okay, then we have the count of that one. Okay, so this is the file, that is .project.py. Okay, next we have the security that we have to add, that is CSV. So let's open with the only Sublime, or Sublime is okay. ID access start project. Test task both we have to group with 111. Create permission, unlink, read, write. So everything permissions that we have to add. Okay. Next we have the views part. So this is the for the view that the you can see the HTML part, right? So here you can see that we have the editable button, name and the done, right, at the bottom. Okay. Then we have a project name. Let's go and just check step by step. If we open, then we have the task, then the name. Okay, then we have this done also. So here you can see in the code also, right? So the smart button box lives at the top right of the sheet. Okay, that is the task, and this is the icon for task. Okay, next we have this one, that is the name and the done. Okay, here you can see, if I go over there, and here you can see that the name and the done part, right? So whenever you add anyone, that should be have the name and the done. Okay, so this is for that one, right? This field task. Okay, next we have the record project view list. So what we have to view, that is the name and the task count. So if I go into my UI, so here you can see I can have the two projects, then we have a name and the task count. Okay, listing, right? So this is that one. Then we have the action buttons. Okay, view mode, that is list, and the form, both view we need. Then the model, that is the project, and the on the top of it, here you can see that action window name would be projects. Okay, so projects, then we have a new button, then we have this action buttons, import or export, then we have a search. These all are the defaults that we have to add to get all this workable. Okay, so this is for that one. Doing this one, you are able to get this module. Okay, and let's move to the next one file that we have. This is done smart in this one. Then we have two file, that is init.py, import models, then we have a manifest. So these are all the requirements. Here you can see that. Okay, so hope when you try building this module, you will get to learn each step by step. So this kind of module, if you want in the future or something like this, so use that one, and you can fetch it anywhere, any from the front end, right? So this is how you are able to add the smart button with the count. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. I'll share the module with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.